Right, guys, today we're going to look at some nasty, well, annoying and difficult ratio questions, GCSE. So we are told red and yellow counters are in a bag in the ratio 1 to 5. 14 are added and the ratio becomes 2 to 3. That's a bit annoying, isn't it? So I'm going to write yellow next to red. Yellow next to yellow. So red to yellow is 2 to 3, so that's 3 to 2. So what I want to do, because 14 red count has been added, that's the one that we want to be different. So we're going to make these two the same, times this side by 3, and that side by 5, and we get this. Oops, that should be a 2. So we get 10. So this is the ratios when we scaled it up. And we know there's been 14 counters added that are red, and that equates to 7 parts. So 7 parts must be 14 counters. Therefore, 1 part must be 2 counters. So if there were 15 parts yellow, then there must be 30 yellow counters. 15 times 2 is 30. So, all right, next one. Same logic. So we can do R to G. What have I done R when it's boys? We can do boys to girls to boy, or girls to boys to girl. It's important, we need to see which number varies. So 110 girls leave, so we want that to be different and the boy bit to be the same. Yeah, so we've got girls to boys to girls. And we had 5 to 1 and boys to girls 5 to 3. So if we times the left-hand side by 5, times that by 5, we're going to get 25 to 5 to 5 to 3. So the difference in parts is 22. So that 22 parts must represent the 110 girls that left. So 1 part is 110 divided by 22, which is 5. You whack it in your calculator if you don't believe me. So we get this. So how many boys are there? Well, 5 parts are boys. 5 times 5 is 25. So that answer should be 25. Boom. Right. This looks not particularly nice. So yeah, Ella to Tim. Their ratio is 8 of something to 3 of something else, or of something as well. Ella gives £10 to Tim and the ratio switches. So, and they get the same the opposite way around. So if we minus 10 from that, and we times this by, and we add 10 to the other one, yeah, then this divided by 3 is equal to this divided by 8. Yeah, because if I divide that by 8 and divide that by 3, we get the same amount, and technically we've used that information to create an equation. So if I cross multiply and solve this, so I need to times that by 8 and that by 3. 64x minus 80 equals 9x plus 30. So 55x equals 110, x equals 2. So work out the original amount Ella had. Well, 8x, 8 times 2 is 16. Look, I hope you found that useful. See you again soon.